PHP sensitivity. In PHP, all keywords, example, if, else, while, echo, etc., classes, functions, and user-defined functions are not case sensitive. I'll show you an example. As you can see here, I used an echo function to display hello world. Then I'll put all caps echo to also output hello world. Then I'll just refresh the page. As you can see, it still outputs hello world properly, even though it's all caps. Variables, reserved words are not case sensitive. However, all variable names are case sensitive. I'll show you why. How. Well, variable names start with a dollar sign, so I'll just put an variable name was Kevin. Hello, and that there. I'll put a concatenation here. I'll learn about concatenation later on, but I'll just put it here so that I can output the variable name and concatenation. There. Just save that and I'll try refresh. As you can see, it outputted what the variable, what the value of the value of the name, variable name, because it is named like that. But what if I put here that, that, and variable name, that, and yeah, then another, let's say, echo, hello, and a concatenation here, then variable name, concatenation, then br. Oops, anymore. Alright, br. Br. Look at what will happen. As you can see, there was an error in my example because and only the first statement displayed the value. Simply because the variable dollar sign small caps name and the dollar sign all caps name, then the mixed caps name are treated as three different variables.